Welcome to the Explainer. Let's find the absolute perfect Kameleo replacement to supercharge your specific workflow.
If you've outgrown Kameleo's restrictions, you're definitely not alone. Let's look at why users are migrating today.
The biggest pain points: it's stuck on your desktop, team sharing is kind of limited, and automation is pricey. The real breaking point? Kameleo demands a whopping €199 monthly just for automation. But Incogniton totally flips the script, handing you full developer API access for a mere $30. What if you need e-commerce automation without writing code, and you want it super cheap?
AdsPower is your match here, offering built-in robotic process automation for just $9 a month.
But hey, what if flawless, undetectable fingerprint masking is the absolute highest priority for your operation?
Multi-Login is the industry veteran. They provide unmatched engine-level fingerprint spoofing starting at $99.
Now, what if you want to completely avoid local hardware leaks and ditch desktop software altogether? Sendwin runs completely in the cloud with built-in IPs. That means absolutely zero hardware leaks.
What about scaling massive social media campaigns or managing everything right from your mobile phone?
Dolphin Anti is custom-built for social media teams, while GoLogin actually offers a dedicated Android app. So, your ideal choice just hinges on balancing your budget against cloud access and API integrations. Found your perfect match? Awesome. Let's walk through exactly how to safely migrate away from Kameleo. First, export your cookies, meticulously document your proxies, and pick a tool with the same browser engine. Next, test non-critical accounts first. Crucially, perfectly match your original OS, resolution, and time zone parameters. Finally, import your cookies into the new tool and verify your setup on browserleaks.com. The blueprint is yours. So which powerhouse tool will you deploy for your next multi-account workflow?